Are you looking for the best dehumidifiers? In this video we will look at some of the best dehumidifiers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Frigidaire FFAP5034W1. The best dehumidifier for basements we've tested is the Frigidaire FFAP5034W1. This 50-pint unit provides excellent dehumidification and is a great choice for larger dens. It has 3 fan speed settings, generating between 275 CFM, cubic feet per minute, and 179 CFM of air movement. This flexibility makes it especially well suited for basements with daily variations in ambient humidity and temperature. Not only does it feature a fairly large 2.2 gallons, 8.3 L water tank, but you can also connect a hose to its drain port for continuous drainage or use its built-in pump to have it drain into a faraway spot. Additionally, it's impressively energy efficient, with an Energy Star rating of 1.9 L/kWh, so you won't notice a huge increase in your energy bill, even if you leave it running for extended periods. With all that said, it's worth noting that this dehumidifier makes a lot of noise at its highest fan speed and produces a fair amount of heat, so you might want to keep it far away if you use it in a finished basement where you watch TV or entertain guests. While this dehumidifier isn't the largest 50-pint model on the market, you can look at the Midea MAD35S1QWT if you want something a little smaller but with the same capacity. Just be aware that it's even noisier than the Frigidaire and generates more heat. Number 2. Midea MAD35S1QWT. If you're shopping at a mid-range price point and have a smaller basement that doesn't require as big a machine, the Midea MAD35S1QWT is among the best dehumidifiers for basements we've tested. It's outgunned in terms of raw capacity compared to the Frigidaire FFAP5034W1 above, and it has a harder time clearing out moisture in big, open-concept dens, though it'll still do fine in medium-sized basements. This device is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can operate it remotely through the Smart Home smartphone app. You can also use voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Home devices. Just ensure your basement has good Wi-Fi connectivity if you want to operate it remotely. This dehumidifier has 2 fan speeds that provide a smaller spread of air than the Frigidaire above, making it slightly less flexible in different ambient conditions. While its collapsible design saves on space when the unit isn't in use, this is still a pretty bulky machine when fully deployed, especially when compared to other 35-pint models. Its 4.2 gallons, 16.0 L water bucket gets pretty heavy when filled, too, making it a nuisance to empty. That said, if you'd rather drain it into a sink in a furnace room or faraway floor drain, you can detach it from its water bucket, hook up a hose to its drain port, and activate the built-in pump. Number 3. Waykar PD160B. Our best budget pick is the Waykar PD160B. This model is fairly compact, making it a good option for smaller basements. Besides, it has a relatively small 8.5-pint capacity, so it'll struggle to remove moisture from larger rooms. It doesn't make a lot of noise, which is great if you use your basement as a bedroom, and it also generates very little heat. You can set your desired humidity level and let the unit adjust its fan speed automatically, so you don't have to fiddle constantly with the settings while it runs. It lacks a built-in pump to drain the water into an elevated receptacle, but it does have a hose for continuous drainage. Unfortunately, the display is rather dim, and its poor viewing angles make it almost impossible to see unless you're directly above it. Dehumidifier for space up to 2000 square ft. Our dehumidifiers are able to remove up to 34 pints, under 95° F, 95% RH condition, of moisture per day. Please note, under 95° F, 95% RH condition, the max dehumidification capacity up to 34 pints, in areas up to 2000 square ft and adjust humidity from 30% to 80%. It is a dehumidifier ideal for any basements, office, home, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, stockroom, living room, laundry room, cellars, crawlspace, etc. Unique design for the modern home, the Waykar dehumidifiers designed with modern look. With 360 degrees rotatable wheels and ergonomically lift-up handles, you can move around this dehumidifier easily. A quiet fan that won't disturb you when you sleep or at work, adjustable fan speeds for multiple choices. 24-hour timer setting for preset operation and reduced energy consumption. Intelligent control. After you set your desired humidity, the dehumidifier will run intelligently. Humidity auto control. Simply adjust to your desired humidity. It will work smartly. When it reached its designated humidity, it will automatically stop working and then automatically restart to dehumidify when the humidity above target is sensed. Automatic shut-off/on shuts off automatically when the bucket is full and switch it on again after the bucket emptied. Power outage automatic restart. Number 4. ProBreeze PB-03. If you only need a dehumidifier for pulling the moisture from a small space in your basement, like a storage closet under your stairs, the ProBreeze PB-03 is worth a look. It's a much different proposition than the other, more conventional models on this list. Its dehumidification capacity is downright pitiful even when compared to the Waykar PD160B's already modest performance. Of course, it isn't intended for the same purpose. The ProBreeze highly compact size makes it a cinch to fit in tight spaces. If you stick it in an enclosed room or semi-enclosed area, it'll be almost inaudible, as it emits only 44.6 dBA of noise while running. Its heat output is also practically negligible. This dehumidifier has a very small water tank and lacks a port for continuous drainage. However, since its dehumidification rate is so slow, neither of those things is a significant concern, as you'll only really need to empty the tank every week or so. Besides, it shuts off automatically when the tank is full, so there's no need to worry about overflow. Compact and small dehumidifier, lightweight, compact, and portable dehumidifier. The mini dehumidifier removes up to 18 ounces of water per day with a 52-ounce water tank capacity. Can cover up to 3,000 cubic feet, 250 square feet, leaving ample space for the dehumidifier to function as dehumidifier for bathroom and moisture absorbers for closet. Safe dehumidifier with auto shut-off function. When full, the dehumidifier will automatically shut off and the LED light will turn on indicating the water tank needs draining. Simply empty the water tank and place it back into the dehumidifier. This easy-to-use dehumidifier acts as a humidity absorber capable of removing moisture for office, home, and camping purposes, making it a great addition to any household.